Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make these quick and easy summer coasters. Okay, so you'll need round wood circles. I'm using these decorative napkins that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree. I'm also using the adhesive cork sheet that I also picked up at my local Dollar Tree. And then I'm using some acrylic paint in different colors like yellow, light blue, pink, and also red. And then I'm using some dishwasher-safe Mod Podge. And then this is optional, I'm just using my watercolor pen. It's a paint pen. And then I have my paintbrushes in a larger and a medium size. And then I'm using a pencil. And then also I have my scissors. Okay, so let's begin by tracing out each of the wooden circles onto the adhesive cork sheet. Take a pencil and just trace out each of them. You'll do this after you have flipped over your cork sheet, so you'll be tracing on the back side of the cork sheet. Okay, so now you're ready to cut out your adhesive cork sheets that you had previously traced out. So just use your scissors and cut each of them out. Okay, so now that you have cut each of them out, you'll just take the back side off of each of the round cork circles, and then you'll place your circle down onto your wooden coaster. I decided to use the cork sheets for my project because I just wanted to have a smooth surface on the bottom of each of my coasters for when I set my coasters down on maybe a wooden table or even a glass table. I wanted to make sure that the bottom surface was smooth. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the acrylic paint onto the front side of each of the coasters. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using my bright pink paint, and I'm just adding it onto my coaster, and I'll just repeat this for each of the coasters in a different color. I'd also like to point out that you can apply your dishwasher safe Mod Podge over your acrylic paint. and also allow your paint to completely dry, or you can use a heating tool to dry your paint. But be sure to apply the dishwasher safe Mod Podge over the acrylic paint. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the napkin. So what I'm doing here is I'm just removing the second layer of my napkin. And then after I do that, I will take my scissors and I will cut out the sections of my napkin that I will want to use on my wooden coasters. Okay, so this is completely optional. I'm just using my watercolor pen, and I'm just removing the edges on my decorative napkin, and I'll do this for each one of them. Like I said, this is completely optional. I'm doing this because I did not want my napkin to have a straight cut from using scissors. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the Mod Podge to the coaster. I had already applied one layer of Mod Podge to my coaster, so this is a second layer that I'm doing here, and I'll just apply it and then I will allow it to dry. You can either allow it to dry on its own or you can use a heating tool. Okay, so once the Mod Podge has dried, you'll take your decorative napkin pieces and begin to add them onto your wooden coaster. Okay, so this is completely optional, but you can use some parchment paper, place it over your coaster, and then using a mini iron, just iron over the parchment paper for a few seconds. I like to do this. This helps to get rid of any of the creases or wrinkles that I may have in my design. So I find this very helpful. Okay, so once you have applied your decorative napkin to each of your coasters, you're all done. That completes this craft. I would like to mention that the dishwasher-safe Mod Podge does take 28 days to cure, and once it has, you can clean your coasters using a damp cloth. I would definitely recommend spot cleaning if you have any spills or anything on your coasters. And also, you can use a sealant to seal off your coasters. I actually went and used the Ultra Mod Podge sealant spray. This way there's no brush strokes, and it's also non-tacky and it's durable. So, like I said, you can use any actually, but those are the two products that I used. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple DIY craft, and thank you for joining me and creating these summer coasters. I hope to see you soon. Bye.